Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a key system error in your Nissan Altima. First, always check your key fob battery. A low or dead key fob battery is the most frequent culprit behind this error message. Also, verify your vehicle's main battery. A weak car battery, especially if it is 3 or 4 years old, can also trigger the key system error. These initial checks are quick and can often resolve the issue without further steps. If your key fob battery is the problem, replacing it is straightforward. Most Nissan Altima key fobs require a CR2032 3-volt coin battery. To replace it, locate the small notch on your key fob and gently pry it open with a small flathead screwdriver. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, making sure the positive, or plus, side is facing down. Snap the fob back together and test its functionality. Sometimes, even with a new battery, your key fob might need reprogramming. The exact steps vary by model, so always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions. Generally, the process involves a sequence of inserting and removing the key from the ignition, or for push-start models, placing the fob directly against the start button while performing specific actions. This helps the car recognize and sync with your key fob. If the error persists, try disconnecting your car's main battery for about 15 to 20 minutes to reset the control modules. Also, inspect your car's battery terminals for any corrosion and ensure the hood latch connector is secure, as a loose connection can cause this error. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it might indicate a more complex problem, such as a faulty body control module, or ECU, which typically requires professional diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.